Hi guys, I am with a new video in which I will tell you how to make cucumber raita, which will help us to prevent dehydration and will keep us hydrated during the summers. The ingredients: this is 2 cups of plain curd, a cucumber, this is black pepper, cumin powder, and this is salt. So now let's start making the cucumber raita. Now my first step is that I will whisk this curd, plain curd. Let's start. Yes, just a bit more, and I have to rotate it. I think it's right. Now I'm going to grate this, and this is the strainer. So I'll first grate it, and then the cucumber will come down here on the strainer. The excess of water will be removed by a spoon. So let's begin. So guys, I have grated the cucumber. Now I'll take out the extra water by this spoon. I will squeeze it on the strainer, and the extra water will come down in the spoon. Doing this until most of the water has come down. I will take out the cucumber which is left from the strainer and put this in the curd. Next step is that we have to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper to this. The spice. Yeah, pepper is done. This is cumin powder, and I will add 1 tablespoon of this to the raita. And last but not the least, salt, which is an essential component of this. I'll take 1 pinch of this and sprinkle it on the raita. You can take it according to your taste, how much you like. So there, I've added salt, and now I'll mix it with a spoon. Hey guys, our cucumber raita is ready. You can eat this as side food. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.